Good morning. Hello, everybody. Natasha, welcome. Today, no effing around. No, we're gonna stay at level 0, maybe 1. Maybe 1 or 2. That's it. Green, good morning. Hello. All right. Let's start the show. Oh, forgot to put the lines here. Today's midnight level is somewhere around here. By the way, I'm on the new contract. I switched to the new contract. So, just saying. I'm on the new one. So, price right now on my end is 19,973. I'm going to put a line to 20K. Bravo! Hello there. Good morning. We are up on the QQQ. All right. So on the new contract, we're getting back to 20K level. And by the way, one of the reasons I switched to the new contract is, let me show you I just switched, look at this morning. Yesterday the volume was already almost higher on the June contract. So as you can see, it is shifting quite rapidly to the new contract. So I would suggest, or suppose, that today the volume, the majority of the volume is on the June contract, and this is yesterday. So I think it definitely shifting to the new one, and this is Monday as of yesterday. So yeah, so we're shifting. Oh, Pari, good morning. I forgot to say good morning. Let's see. There was a 15-minute order block somewhere. Maybe not. All right, never mind. Let's check the 1 hour. We have some levels up there, but that's the old contract still. There's a volume imbalance up there to the left, around 355. I'm gonna keep that in mind for future reference. 355. All right. Kirk, hello. Good morning, Vietnam. Naomi, hello, Naomi. Welcome. Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, Kirk. VWAP at 990. Yeah, let's check the VWAP for once, right? There's the VWAP. All right. Olisha, hello. Yokozuna, good to see you, and Bowser as well. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, all right. Seems like it might want to go lower, but I'm not really sure about this. I was actually thinking to trade on an eval. So let's see. There was a market structure shift here. After sweeping this level, could go lower, but we'll see. We shall see. Oh yeah. Oh, I checked it, by the way. Yeah, the 320. Look at that. Boom. Yeah. That was an interesting reaction there. Jason, hello. Send me an email, Jason, and we'll sort out the details. All right. I need, of course, detailed information, you know, of what's going on. Just send me everything. Any great deals? So far, just the same deals. The only thing is that Apex went back to 71 or 70%, 71%. I'm not even sure. 75 or 71? 71, I think. That's what she said. All right. It seems like it wants to go higher. There's a level at 81. Yeah, at 81. I think it wants to go for it. Let's see. Maybe it has to go through the 80s first. Who knows? Hey Vivian, hello. Yeah, we're back. We are back. So 15 minutes TV. Let's check it. Oh yeah, here we are. Question is, does it want to go higher? Maybe retest the 20K area? I'm not sure. One guy paid 1.3 million from Apex using just 300K account. Really? That is awesome. That is a great achievement. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's possible. Obviously, if you're building up a huge buffer and you're going with full port, like you can go with like, I don't even know, with a 300K account, I guess you can have like 20 or 25 minis. So technically it's possible, especially if you're scalping. All right, we're just waiting for now. There is a gap, by the way, starting at, let me see, 81.50. I'm not sure if that means anything, but 81.50, there is a 5-minute fair value gap. If it wants to go for it. All right. Need to make 4,300 tonight to pass your 5th take profit trader. That's simple. You know, that's super easy. Just follow the hidden rules and you win. Speaking of hidden rules, by the way, I sent an email yesterday or support ticket to Apex, and let me just show you. So I was asking about that. I'm not sure if Venom is here or not. We were talking about this with Venom, that Apex can deny the payout. You know, if you request after the first denial, you can only request above the denied amount. Now let me clear this just a second because I got an email. Farhad, good morning. Oh, definitely, definitely. Hidden, no hidden rules. Hold on, let me show you the email. So I opened up a support ticket yesterday because we were talking about this on the stream. Let me find it. It has to be here. Hold on. No. Oh, here it is. Okay. So here's the email. This is what I've sent them. Dear Apex Trader funding support, I recently requested a withdrawal of, I have 517 from my Apex account on 2nd of March, but it was denied due to the 30% rule. Since then, I have continued trading for the next 8 payout cycle. And as of today, my profit is $1,075 above the minimum required safety threshold, which is $2,100. Okay. I would like to clarify whether I can now request a $1,000 withdrawal, or if there is a restriction that only allows me to withdraw profits exceeding my previously denied request, meaning I could only withdraw $550 instead of the full amount. There has been speculation on social media about such a rule, and someone who streams live daily, my traders, and looking for clarification in this matter, I want to ensure that I provide my audience, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here's the answer. Thank you for reaching out. The maximum payout, okay, we know that. Such speculation is not true. You may refer to our FAQ, blah, blah, blah. It is not nothing. What? It is worth nothing that when you reach the safety net, $2,600, if you are eligible for a minimum, you are eligible for a minimum payout of $500. To request for payout above the minimum, which is $500, the balance must exceed the safety net of $2,600. In this case, you have an additional $575. Hence, the total that you may request is $1,075. So they just confirmed that you can request basically the full amount, so not just limited to that amount, which is, you know, above that safety net. So you can request the full amount, including your previously denied payout. Okay, so again, such speculation is not true. To request the balance must occur. Okay, in this case, you have an additional $5. Hence, the total that you may request is $1,075. So that is the amount I am going to request, by the way. And the reason why I'm going to request it is because of this specific email. And I'm happy to share this on stream because this is the proof. So I'm going to request this amount because they said I can request it. So will be interesting to see, that's for sure. But yeah, no hidden rules. There was just some speculation yesterday that the reason why people get denied is because you know, once you get denied and you go for the second request, you can only request the amount of profit which exceeds the previously denied payout. But it's not true. You can request obviously there's a withdrawal cap of 2,000, but you can request the previously denied payout as well. Malo, what up? Love this job. Jesus, guys, this, come on, I'm gonna shut down everything. This guy's printing money here. Malo, 600 times 8. Shut the front door, man. Oh my god, I don't know what you're doing. Shut the front door. Congratulations, Malo. Awesome, man. Joey, hey there. Jay, what up? Perfect answer to the wrong question. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Volume pulse indicator and Quantaro game changer. Really? Volume pulse indicator? I'm gonna check that out. There's a guy on YouTube spreading that FUD. Yeah, I don't know. Actually, now that we have it cleared, now it's clear. So it has basically that's what they're saying, Kirk. So I can request being denied. I can request. I clearly outlined it that I got denied for $517, and now I would like to request $1,075 overall, and he clearly said okay. Oh, maybe Jay, I don't know, but I think it's actually an answer. Should it be? I think it is an answer. Oh man, I have to send an email again to them. Okay, you know what? I'm going to send an answer to this email later on, and I'm going to ask, please confirm, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm gonna let them confirm just to make sure, Okay, no problem at all. I'm going to confirm it, make them confirm it. Natasha is already. Michael, hello. Dilzik, yo, and Dom is here. Welcome, Dom. Hope you're doing good. Smash the like. Yo, welcome, Malo. You're doing great job there. See you tomorrow, definitely. Clear as mud. They didn't. But that's a very good question, Kirk. I think I'm gonna answer to that, and I'm gonna specifically ask that. Okay, please confirm that I can still withdraw it after I'm being denied. But yeah. I'm gonna let them answer to that. We're hopefully we'll have an answer for tomorrow. All right. No, Malo is different. Malo is absolutely, he's doing it differently. He's not the elite trader guy. That's what you said is true about Apex. Okay. Clear as mud. Okay, I'm gonna send them a reply. Okay, I'm gonna send them a reply and have it much more. Okay, I'm gonna make them confirm that. Actually, where is that email? Okay. Please, okay, reply to this email. Okay. Hello. There's only one thing. I need you to confirm back to me. Am I still eligible to request the $1,075 used in this example after I got denied last time for, how much was it? 517. Maybe they will answer. Or just the amount that exceeds Actually, I'm gonna send them this email right now. Because this is, you know, we have to put an end to this. Oh, come on. Am I still eligible to request user December after I got denied last time, or just the amount that exceeds? Thank you for the clarification. Okay. Karsten. Yesterday, don't even mention it. Yesterday was very bad, but I'm over it. I'm over it. How you doing, Karsten? I wish you all the best. Now I started the earn to trade eval. I'm ready. You can use trading stop loss. Oh, that's good. Awesome, Dom. Let's go. Slim Trady, hello. Let's say you have 5,000 trumpeters of down payment. I think you need about 5,000 on the next request. And then you can only 5,000 per request. After that, you can withdraw down to really? Is that a thing? Oh, okay. Can we check with one has more? Yeah, sure. Naomi, this is the newest updated. This has been updated on the 18th at midnight. Well, not midnight, 30 minutes past midnight Central Time. And it seems like that the volume is now still not, it says the March contract is still has more, but I'm telling you, during the London session, this is rapidly shifting onto the June contract. One thing is for sure, tomorrow, the June contract is definitely going to be higher, but I think it's going to be today. I mean, today, definitely the volume is going to shift over to the June contract. So I switched to the June contract as well. So yeah. Triple digits, yeah. Phoenix Trades, hello, good morning. If I can, do I trade it on Trader or NinjaTrader? It's up to you. You know, it's personal preference. Slim Trady, which platform is, you know, the one you like better? I would say NinjaTrader is very good. I never really liked TradeAway, but it's just my opinion. But I mean, TradeAway is friendly as well. So as I said, it's really hard to decide. I'm pretty much down to Quant Tower because that's my favorite. But hey. If I would have to choose between NinjaTrader and TradeAway, I'll go with NinjaTrader. Nice. Let's go down that. That's good. Yeah, I would recommend rolling into the June contract for today. especially in the New York session, the volume is definitely going to be more on the June contract. You're using the Rhythmic platform. Nice. Yeah, that's also true. Sam Trades. A simple yes and no. Hey, no problem, Naomi. You're welcome. Bassem, hey, welcome. It's not true, not part of the rules. They have to make it fair enough for people to keep buying evals. Well, I'm not saying Rhythmic is the best. I'm just saying it's simple for me to connect with Quantower. I'm gonna call the market makers for sure. How do you manage to trade all your funded accounts? How do I manage? Yesterday was a great example. How do I manage to trade all my funded accounts? Yesterday I was copy trading actually 2 accounts, losing streak in London session. Then I went full tilt. So if you guys were here in New York, I told you what happened. So I went full tilt again, but I'm not even gonna do a video about it anymore. I mean, it's just too much for me. Yeah, so the problem is, Alicia, I can't really handle copy trading myself as well. I still have to overcome this obstacle. It's still giving me a hard time. So Trader Funder, I heard about them, but I don't know anything about, nothing extra about them. 320 buy to fill 15 minutes CB. Oh, that was the 320 again. Wow. Is there a concept somewhere about the 320? Or it's Bowser concept? But hey, it's really amazing that it actually always happens. Market structure shift in small range. Yeah, I mean, ICT market maker direct line. I don't have a direct line. Bowser concepts, all right. But actually, it's really amazing. It really happens at 320. Yeah, no financial advice. So anyway, I have to scroll back to what Jay said. We have and was denied a payment. I think you need about 5,000 on the next request. Oh, definitely. You need to. Okay. Request. After that, you can draw down to maybe. But anyway, I'm sending them an email now. So there's only one thing I need you to confirm back to me. Am I still eligible to request the 1075 using after I got denied last time for, or just the amount that exceeds that amount? Thank you for the clarification. Okay. All right, I sent it to support, and hopefully we're gonna have an answer maybe in 24 hours. Oh no. I don't even remember what I did, but I was on full tilt, Jason. So I'm gonna let you guys know about the update in this matter, and you know what? I might even do a short video about this to my channel, because I think it kind of, if there's still some FUD spreading, then I'm gonna use this email as an example to clarify this. Don't worry about it, Jason. Not the first time, and I have a feeling that it might happen again in the future. So 5 minutes CB 996. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, I totally forgot to start my magical indicators. The magical indicators. How is gold doing? Gold is just popping higher. No stopping at gold. All right. Yeah, gold is just up there. NQ is up there. All right. Max funded on both. Yes, I have, by the way. Despite all that struggle, I'm still planning to get more funded accounts, obviously, and I'm definitely going to trade them in small groups. That's the plan. Requested a payout, but I know it will get denied due to the just it to get the 8-day window reset. Oh. Yeah, so right now the this account, the only funded account right now that I have with Apex is I already purchased more evals, by the way, but this is the only funded account right now. So I'm gonna request the payout, and that is why I was asking. So last time I got denied for $517 because of the 30% rule, and that's why I need clarification about this. And I'm gonna record everything just in case I'm gonna get denied on this payout. I'm gonna record their emails. I'm gonna record the payout request window when I'm requesting it, and this is gonna be an interesting thing to have. Yeah, I don't know, Natasha. Yeah, so it would be great if they would have clear rules about this. What's your typical size when trading, when copy trading? Well, usually just go with a few micros on the funded accounts. That's what I would love to do. But obviously I broke my rules again yesterday. So I broke my rules. Usually like 2, 3, 4 micros. That's what I go with on the funded account, especially when I copy trade. When there is a very tight stop loss and I can, for example, 10 points, of stop, I can go with like 5 micros, you know, about $100 risk ish. This one I'm busy from. Yeah, it could happen. No, I haven't received the payout from TRADEIFY. I haven't. Yeah, definitely that would be that's the only thing I can do at times like this. Sizing down. That's the only thing. Yeah. Good morning, Paul. Evening. Sorry, for you it's evening. Ollie, good morning. Do you have to start all over again, or do you just have to? No. You can. You just. I mean, as best of my knowledge, you just have to properly manage trades for the next payout cycle, and that's it. You don't have to continue until, because you don't know which one was that 30% day. In my understanding, when you got denied, you basically get a reset to trade another 8 days without, you know, violating that 30% rule. I mean, I was talking about the drawdown rule, not the consistency rule. You know, this was about the drawdown rule. So one of my trades went lower than 30% of the safety net. So because of this, Collie. Yeah. So because of the drawdown rule, one of my trades went lower than 30%. I let it go, unfortunately, and I got denied. But now I'm at the second cycle and I'm requesting a payout now, and I had to clarify with support to make sure. Yeah, 10-point stop at NQ is nothing. In London, it's okay, Michael. In London, yeah, mostly in London session, you know. In New York, it's nothing, absolutely. Hit 2 days, 150, yeah. Dagon Poker, hello. It's going great, it's going great. We're gonna forget about yesterday. Yesterday wasn't going great, but focusing, you know, looking ahead. Yeah. That was Apex, Jason. They give me a well, they didn't give me a break. Yeah, I know, Natasha. I know, right? Yeah. That was one trade. I clearly remember that particular trade. Most likely, I mean, that was an interesting situation because I was in a draw. I was in a loss of $300 for the day, or 400. Let's say $400, and I wasn't at my safety threshold at that point. So I was down $400 for the day, which means, and I think this is why I got denied, which means I'm left with $2,200 as maximum loss limit, right? My trade went to negative $700 and $720 with commission or something like that. But 30% of $2,200 is $660, because that was the remaining safety net, right? Or safety threshold, whatever. So because I exceeded the $660 with that $700 trade, that actually violated the 30% rule. And I clearly remember, and I thought that it's not going to get denied, but somebody told me, and this is still a rumor, I still have to clarify this with Apex too. As soon as you lose, for example, in this example, if you lose $400 Actually, that's $2,100. Sorry. If you lose $400 from your safety net, then your 30% rule is adjusting to the leftover of your safety net, right? So if you like lose $500, then you're only left with like actually it's not even 2,600, it's 2,500 because the liquidation threshold is 25. So you're left with $2,000, and the next trade should not exceed $600 in drawdown, and so on and so forth. So I think they are adjusting this if you're on a losing streak for the day. No answer. Oh man. Oh, Natasha. Yeah, I got an answer and you don't have an answer. That is like crazy. I don't know. It's always the start of the day. Somebody, I don't know where, maybe on Discord somewhere, I don't know, somebody said Apex has this hidden rule. I don't know where it's hidden, but I'm going to get them confirm it, that they are adjusting. Yeah. Not with Apex. Definitely, Michael. Oh, definitely. I agree. The big goal is to have our own account. It's always starting balance. Remain like that even after a loss. That's good to know. Thank you, Collie Boy. So I was reading somewhere, I think it was on Discord. I don't know which prop firm's Discord was it, or I don't know where. I'm on so many Discords, that Apex is adjusting it, and that's how they deny people. But that's good to know. Yeah, so let me just tell you guys a short story. In between 2017 and 2020, actually the end of 2017, it was early 2018. Early 2018 and until the pandemic started. So early 2020. So in that 2 years, I wasn't trading with the prop firms. So I started to trade. That's when I started to trade, and I got real crazy. I was trading on my personal account on Forex. I was using IC markets. Come on. So I was using IC markets, and I was trading Forex. Pound US dollar, gold, euro dollar sometimes, mostly pound dollar and gold. And I was trading Forex. And real money, real actual money, my own cold hard cash being wired into IC markets. And that's what I was trading. Needless to say, and that was before I joined any prop firm, I lost tens of thousands of dollars in those 2 years. Tens of thousands of dollars. Actually, in those 2 years, I think I've lost about $50,000-ish, something like that, in those 2 years, trading my own personal account. So I lost about 50,000. I had a nice car, 2 nice cars. I still have their pictures here. I showed this to you guys. I had the BMW 7 Series and I had the Z4 or Z4. I still have their picture. I had to sell my cars to survive. Anyway. And I lost quite a lot there trading personal account. And after I lost, and I had to survive during the pandemic, so I sold my cars and I put some more money into trading from the money that I sold from the cars. And then finally, when I was still burning money in 2020 on trading personal account, then in 21, late 21, I switched to prop firm. First, I think it was FTMO, 22 my Forex funds or something like that. And of course, I had to put trading a little bit aside because I lost too much money. So I was just, you know, part-time trading. I started to relearn everything. So let's yeah, so these were my cars. I have this picture here on my desk because this picture has been taken anyway. I have this here on my desk because I found it. Anyway, I found it somewhere in the garage, and these were my cars, and that's a 7 Series BMW and the Z4. It's a newer Z4, and I sold these cars, and this picture, why I'm keeping it, reminding me that what a complete utter moron idiot I was for trading my personal account with that kind of money, which I could not afford to lose, and because I had to sell my cars of this. I was an utter moron idiot for burning money, actually more than 2 years, almost 3 years, 2.5 years for sure, burning money constantly on trading Forex. And then, and I'm saying this because of what Alicia said, so when I found prop firms and I relearned everything, I started, all right, I said, okay, erase everything and let's do it all over again. I said, all right, I am not going to switch to personal account until I'm not getting consistent profits from prop firms. Now, I'm still not receiving consistent profits from prop firms, not without not burning up or blowing up accounts, which I did yesterday. So here's my answer to what Alicia said. I love to trade prop firms. This is why I love to trade. And also for the answer for Michael, that the goal is to trade personal account, but not until, I mean, I really want to, because I'm just thinking about to start a $2,000 account, but not until I don't feel the confidence to being able to handle the stress or you know, anyway. And yes, Steve, futures are better, I think. I wouldn't say ICT saved my life, but definitely helped a lot. Helped a lot. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, exactly, Frosato. So something like that. You can take it or leave it, believe me or do not believe me. It's up to you. I don't care. I mean, obviously, I'm saying it to learn from my mistake. I burned tens of thousands of dollars on trading my personal account, and I was absolutely broke. I totally, I wasn't just broke financially, I was mentally broke. So you can imagine during the pandemic and after that, I mean, late 20 and early 21, I was like serious financial and mental issues I was struggling with. Serious issues, because I was always thinking that I burned up my savings. I sold my cars, I burned up my savings. I down to ground zero. Absolute ground zero. So absolutely been. Oh, there you go. Bowser knows. Yeah. So yeah, Bin, we'll get back on the track. I'm sure about it. By the way, I just missed an entry, I think. There was a possible entry. 79, maybe for 10 points. Maybe I jump in. There was a nice entry here. Anyway. Take some time. Oh, okay. I see. Well, yeah, Bassam, just, reassess, and that's it. Yeah, we're still here, still trading. The reason is that I think trading is such an excellent. So we are living in an excellent time right now. We are absolutely blessed to have the technology, the comfort to trade from our home, and the markets are open to us. And obviously, it's super hard, but as I said, the hardest way to earn easy money. I think it's just awesome that we can do this, and I'm really passionate about learning this and doing it right, because I'm not saying that you can make millions of dollars every month, but you can definitely make a living from this by trading to appropriate rules and risk management. I truly believe as a fact that you can make a living from trading, solely from trading, not from affiliate commissions like I do, but from trading, solely like trading. Exactly, Bowser. Exactly. Exactly. So, took a trade on an evaluation account, by the way. Where is it? Oh, it's still the old contract, I think. Yeah. Let me switch to the new contract. There it is. Just an Apex eval. Don't worry about it. Just testing it. Yeah, it's going higher. Never mind. Never mind. Well, I guess you can swing trade. Depends on which what kind of strategy. Are you willing to stay in a trade for days or just a few hours? Because if you want to stay in for days, then futures prop firms might not be the ideal. Might not be ideal. Maybe you have to go for CFD prop firms then, but I'm not sure. Exactly, Bin. Exactly. Exactly. That is why we're here. Hey, what the Forex? I'm in long support micros. Let's go, Bin. Oh no. We're fading each other. What's gonna happen now? The stomach is, I mean, I'm still drinking tea. This is tea, by the way. This is not coffee. I'm drinking tea, and my stomach, I'm only eating this household crackers, or I don't know what's it called, and potatoes. Yeah. I was drinking Coca-Cola yesterday too. Not too much, but yeah, a little bit Coca-Cola. Always Coca-Cola. You remember, right? And by the way, I just received yesterday my new cell phone. I was using this phone. I have two. I was using this phone since 5 years. 5 years. And it did me a good service. But I want to do new content. And I bought a new phone. Look at this. So I'm not the type of guy who switches phones every 6 months. No problem with that, if you like that. I was using this 5 years. And this is the new one. Yay. It looks like it's from the future or something. I don't know. Actually, it's a cheap one. So it's a cheap one, but it has much more bigger storage. The camera is much better. And believe it or not, there's an excellent function to this one. I can actually call people. So I can dial people. I can talk on it. I can send messages. All right. Jokes aside, it's a real good phone. It's a good one. It's called Techno. It's a Techno. Techno, like music, techno music, you know, techno. Edgaras. Good morning. Trading Star, hello. You see, Trading Star? I think I have your name somewhere here. Here's Trading Star. If I want to, I can call him right now. On the new phone. Oh no, what is happening? Techno Android, yes. It's a Techno phone. It's a cheap phone, so it's a budget phone. The reason is I'm not into phones too much. I just needed a much bigger storage, and you know, to make some new content and such, and a little bit faster reaction time. It's a Techno Pova 6 Pro 5G. Techno Pova 6 Pro. And I don't even know. It has some weird stuff on it. So if I go to special functions, what is that? Where's the disco function? Dynamic effect. You see? It's doing this thing right now. This means that I'm actually receiving a phone call from the market makers. Party mode. This is the party mode. All right. We can do FaceTime. Yeah. So I was using this Redmi 9 Pro for 5 years, and this phone is actually it's working just fine. So I'm not gonna throw it away. It's gonna be my, I don't know, secondary phone or something. Yeah, it has a party mode. Question to everyone. Why do I have blue ugly blocks on your chart? What? I don't know. Blue ugly blocks. Which platform are you using? Or which, is it TradingView or something? I don't know. That's a good question. TradingView. This is TradingView. I don't. Blue ugly. You should check out the indicators on your upper left corner. Maybe there is something there which doesn't belong there. Pump incoming. Yeah, that's what I think so as well. So we have the London Open. Let's see. There's a flat candle at 998. I might go for it on the 5-minute and also on the 15-minute. I think I might just going to reverse. If you ask me why, it's because this is an evaluation account. Yeah. And there's a volume imbalance. Oh, that doesn't look good. Anyway, we'll see. Yeah, there could be a pump incoming. There are not indicators. 960. Huh. Higher time frame is bearish. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I might gonna try to scalp it. What do you guys think? Should I full port it to 998? No, don't worry, I'm not gonna. Or maybe I will. All right, let's see. Let's see. Not going down. It's just not. It wants that 998. I think I might gonna have to full port this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's not going down. Closing it. All right. Going for that 998. That would be the only place where this one could go. It gets down, I'm gonna add to it, and I'll try to be super aggressive. Oh man. Let's go. Come on. Up you go. Up you go. Buy side of curve. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I like that 998 area up there. So let's go. I wish I could do this with a funded account. But all right, let's go to the moon. I can. Technically, I can. That's true. Technically, I can. Yes, I can. Oh well, yeah, yeah. Oh, come on. Just go up there. Just go. I think I need more tea. Yeah, we could. We could. At least the overnight high. I mean, yeah. There could also be a pullback around here because there could be some early profit taking from these lows up here before reaching that liquidity void on the micro, because there is one. here. There's a nice flat candle on the 5 and the 15. So, yeah. Let's go for it. Exactly at weave up. That's how you, that is part of your strategy, Natasha, I think, right? You trade with the weave up. We really need to schedule a session. I think I have a lot to learn. You love the weave up. We ate the weave up for breakfast. Where is the weave up? Let me check it. Oh yeah. Look at that. $991. $991. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Nice. I see. Good drop. Okay. It's gonna be a smash again. We're back to 20k. Cancel the safe account. Wish you got died. Cancel all of them. Oh. Oh, by the way, I just received an answer from Apex. I just received an answer from Apex right now. Look at this. So this is what I sent them just about 30 minutes ago. Actually, when? About 40 minutes ago. Look at that. So, thank you for answering this in this matter. I appreciate it. There's only one thing I need to confirm back to me. Am I still eligible to request the $1,075 used in this example after I got denied last time amount that exceeds the amount? That amount, sorry, which is $558. Thank you for the clarification. So I just received 2 minutes ago this email from Apex. Thank you for reaching out. I hope you're having your day is going well so far. All right. I wanted to clarify what happens after payout denial. Once you've traded an additional 8 trading days, with at least 5 of those days showing a profit of 50 or more, you can request a new payout. This new request will be based on your account balance at that time. Whatever amount you requested during the denied payout won't affect this new request. So you're starting fresh with the updated balance. Is this a good answer or not? I don't know. Is this a good answer? Is this the answer that we were waiting for or not? I don't know. I think I have to ask them a straight yes or no question. I think. So, again, whatever amount you requested during the denied payout won't affect this new request. So you're starting fresh with the updated balance. Hey, Marshall, I mean, yeah. So this means I have two answers from Apex about this, that I can request $1,075 from them, and the previous denial of $517 is not going to affect this. Interesting. Brand new request from new total balance. Yes. You just have to trade 8 more days and you can request a payout. Trade another 8 days. Okay. Made 10K on a trade. You start from 0. Yes. But there's a French guy who have explained that you can have 1,000 even if you have 500. I don't know who that French guy is, but this is why we asked support to clarify this. And I think I don't know what's the truth, but what I can do is I'm gonna make a video about this and I'm gonna put it out there. And it's gonna be called like Apex Confusion or something. I don't know. You just have to trade a few more days to request payout. Yeah. Do you think it's a good idea to cancel them since you don't have proof anymore? Yeah, I just oh FUD. Okay, so I mean I would say I don't know who that French guy is or whatever, but or is he just spreading FUD, or maybe he has the wrong information. But now Apex live on stream clarified that it doesn't affect it has no effect. So I'm gonna save this email, I'm gonna print this out, and there's a wall here behind me, right next to the Join the Empire sign to the right. I'm gonna put this email to the wall, and I think up there maybe I'll take the Brooklyn Bridge down from the back, and I'm gonna print it there, but you know, like in big detail, that it won't affect, just to make sure. All right, I'm just you know, Join the Empire. I bought this at the flea market, by the way. So Join the Empire, just to make sure. Let's see. It's not confusing once you understand trade max structure. And if you want a payout request, it get denied, then trade 8 days. Slow, get paid, trade hard again, build more buffer. No shit, my lawyer has everything. Oh, I see. Yeah, don't think about the Lambos, Natasha. Don't think about. Actually, Lambos are great. But BMWs are also great. Don't worry about it. I'm sure you will, Natasha. I think I think you definitely will be making much more. Once you made that, you're gonna make it again. Once you have a nice buffer, you won't blow accounts as fast. Yeah. So after another 8 days trading and making 50 at least for 5 days, you can request another payout of 50%. No, not 50%. No. No, you can request a payout maximum $2,000 on the 50K for one payout, or down to the safety net, which is $2,100, the bare minimum that you have to leave. So basically, come back when your account is blown. Yeah, something. Of course, Natasha, you will make it back. You will make much more. Learn how to fish and you'll never be hungry again. I like that, by the way. But I love cars. I love cars. Cars are so good. Really. Cars are good. No. Oh, come on. Where is that? I'm looking for something. Never mind. I can't find it. Anyway, we're stuck in here. I love cars too. There you go. Work to pay off your housing. Oh, definitely. By the way. Yeah. Exactly. John, just saying that obviously that is the #1 priority. I said this in earlier streams as well. I'm still, like, unfortunately, because I went broke years ago and I had to do some stuff to get myself back on track. I still have like a pretty big loan to pay off, and so my biggest priority is to paying down my loan, as fast as possible. And thank God, God willingly, it's progressing. So that's the #1 stuff. No drugs. no drugs. No. Mr. Tabelka, hello. Learn how to fish in case all props. Oh, definitely, yeah. Purple. You had a dream with a purple McLaren? Yeah, I want that too. A nice purple McLaren in the garage. I mean, how awesome would it be if someone would be having a purple McLaren in the garage in the background, right? That would be like. But anyway, sold 2 micros. Let's go. Let's go, Devin. A Corvette split. Ooh. Natasha, you have to show me that car. I mean, when you buy it, I'll be there. I love Corvettes. Dave, welcome. Well, I'm basically just trading on evaluation accounts. After yesterday was a massacre, I don't even want to talk about it too much. Lost some funded accounts anyway, full tilt. So moving on. Now I have to. So I'm just working on some evals. 1 hour to be filled. Let's go, Bowser. No Hitman. No. That's. I wasn't in the mafia. I know. That is an awesome car, yeah. Oh, the techno parties. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, definitely. Definitely, Natasha. Let me know. I'll be waiting for you. I'm gonna send you the exact spot, and you know, I'll be on the side of the road waving like with the sign that. Where are you, Natasha? And everybody's gonna laugh at me like, who is this guy with the sign? You know, where are you, Natasha? And you know, everybody's like, look at this idiot, you know. And then comes a Corvette, you know, and Natasha is, hey, here I am. Oh man, I'm starting to go crazy. I have to take my meds. All right. That's a good plan, right? 300 a day. That's 6K. Oh my god. And by the way, sticking to the rules, I just want to show you something. Let me get this VWAP out of the way for a little bit, just a little bit. Anyway, no, we don't have time for that. I don't want to bore you guys with that, but obviously it's easier to do the shoulda, woulda, coulda session, but when the day ends, I usually go back and rewind what I did good, what I did bad, you know, what was the proper setup and not. And I always realize that if I would have just sit on my hands, even if I enter a trade, and not starting to second guess my entry and using proper risk management, I could be in the green so many days. Not every day maybe, but so many days would end up in the green. And the red days would be like not too big red days, just small red days. It's amazing that all I would have to do is just stick to the rules. That's how simple it would be. And whenever I look back into my journal and I write down some stuff, I realize that it's just basically almost all of my losses, the big losses and the account blown ups, are 99% due to second guessing myself and doing stupid trades. So what if I end up, for example, yesterday in London session, I ended up with 3 losses, right? A losing streak in the London session. I entered the way I intended to enter, so the entries was okay-ish, okay? All I would have to do is stick to my entry rules in the New York session, and maybe I wouldn't be ended up in the green, but worst case scenario, as I backtested the session after I blown up everything, of course, I realized that I would have only just had to put on 2 trades with proper risk management, just 2 trades, and I could have been ended up at least in break even with 2 trades. That's all it had to do. So nothing crazy at the market open, nothing crazy about scalping, going in like big lot size, whatever. just put on the 2 trades, and yeah, I would have ended up break even. Maybe not in the green, but hey, following the rules. Anyway, such a stupid day for yesterday for me. I was such a stupid then. Okay, so Trading Star is visiting Natasha. Nice. Solutions daily loss limit. So yeah, maybe, Michael. I want to see the Alps too. I want to see the Alps too. Come on, I want to go there. You're leaving me out from the good times. No problem. Ending the day with a loss that's smaller than my average winning days. That's actually, yeah, that's the key. All right, Michael. I'm going. Send me the address, fill up the car, and I'm on my way. Hello, Martin. Oh, definitely, Cookie. It's a lonely thing. Without you guys, I don't even know what I would be doing. But it's really jokes aside, it's trading is, I think it's one of the loneliest things to do. It's even lonelier than fishing, I think. I don't know. Gold is out of its mind. Oof. Yeah. Gold is ripping. What the hell? NQ is ripping. I can't invite you all. I'm not. I'm the clerk. Yeah. Trading is like, yeah, it's technically like fishing, but fishing is more lonely. Oh, that's true. Now, you know, you have a point there. You have a point there. You do have a point. Yeah, exactly, Michael. Nice. That must be beautiful. That must be beautiful. By the way, and this is partially the reason I upgraded my phone. I'm gonna do some short videos and TikTok videos too, but I really have to learn about it, how to do that properly. And so I'm gonna do some more social media videos. Hopefully this phone is gonna help me out with a great deal. This new phone. Newts McBoots, hello. I love the name of this guy. It's so cool. Hey, how you doing, man? Start TikTok live stream. I could do a TikTok live, right? Another press. I don't know. I don't even know how TikTok works. I have a TikTok account, by the way, and I usually watch short videos of tiny little monkeys. So that's what I do. Go live on Twitch? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, I could multi-stream, but I think I would need a better computer for that. And I'm not sure. Oh, you guys are connecting already. Let's go. Let's see. Are we going higher? Seems like we are. It seems like we are. Yeah, trading is lonely. Is lonely. Bigger audience. I don't know. I don't know about Twitch. Gold jumped. I mean, I was on Twitch years ago. Still going higher. It's still just going higher. And no sign of retracement. Now, I think the Asia high would be at 66, but I'd be careful entering. No, I can't enter along here. It's just too high. During a few micros, change the game. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, and exactly like you say, Ben. You know, you can sit into like beautiful 50 or 100 point trades, you know, to see it play out completely. And it's actually not just about the profit. Obviously, we do it for the money, but it's actually super satisfying when you have a target. For example, whatever you say, let's say just we're aiming for that Asia high here at 66, and you had an entry model down there, whatever, and you know that you have a strategy and you want to sit this out, and it's just satisfying to see that price goes to your level, and that is like so good. I think that would be the real true nature of trading, you know, that you recognize those levels and you know, just execute the trade. That's it. Trump is not awake yet. Yeah. Yeah. Trump is still sleeping. Did like a good boy today. Trailed into profit. got taken out from swap. That's good. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. So I was on Twitch, by the way, about I think it was like, oh my god, it was about 7 years ago almost. I was on Twitch, but I was streaming gaming. What an interesting move here. Gold is just edging higher and higher. NQ wants to go for that Asia high, it seems like. Too late, Trading Star. I already sent the bots to your number, so. So what's up right now with Trump and Putin? Are they making some talks finally? I wasn't really following of what's happening with them. Is going for yesterday close? Could be, right? So we already hit that, and that was the point. Yeah, by the way, let's check regular trading hours. Oh yeah, we hit the 23. Let's see. Sometimes it's up 75% of the Asia range. Oh. They are friends. Yeah. They are friends. All right. Oh, well, either way, I have an idea. I have Natasha on the Discord. I can actually send her your number. I just realized. Why did I not think of that? Why did I not think of that? I can just send her your phone. What? I'm not jealous. I would be jealous. I'm only jealous if I don't see the Alps. The Alps. Awesome. I've just sent it. Nice. Amazing blue water. Wow. Don't worry, Trading Star. I got you covered. I got you covered. No problem. Let's see. Everyone is welcome here. Exactly. All right, Bin Trades. Good to see you. Okay, are we gonna have a shift, a reversal here maybe? Or what's it gonna be? Does the bearish PD array on the 1 minute? Yeah, if it does, that tells a story to draw on liquidity. Yeah, I mean, maybe yes, yes. So if the 1 minute fails the bearish move, I guess you have to look for higher time frames as well. For example, here we had multiple structure shifts on the 5 minute, and obviously we are in a bullish movement. But right now, yes, this is a bearish move on the 1 minute, so we shifted down. I'm not even sure. Worst case scenario, if there would be no structure here, I'd like to see a close above 25 or 26 to consider going higher for Asia high. But hit the VWAP maybe. Maybe it could. I never really traded the VWAP. Maybe I should look into it. I guess there are lots of strategies to go with it. I don't know how far this goes. No entry. I wouldn't go short on this. This is not a shift I like. Wouldn't be surprised if we close above 26 and continue to Asia high, but yeah. Let's look at the 5 and the 15 minute again. There is a bullish order block here. Actually, let me get this off. So I like this. It's a very good one for a possible target for later. It actually picked up liquidity and shifted higher. And, you know, I can imagine this one going down there. Maybe I'm gonna put a limit sell. Limit sell at 21. Okay. $21. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. Actually, I'm just doing quite the opposite that I said. But we'll see. We'll see how this works out. If it's going to shift down once more, I might still try to get it. But we'll see. Oh, it's not going up there. Stop loss hunter is here. Hello. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Trying to rebuild some funded accounts here. Oh yeah, it's been. Well, yesterday I lost a few funded accounts. Yesterday I was on tilt, so don't even mention it. Now I'm trying to work my way back, but at least I secured 2 payouts. So one from, it seems like that one should be working from Apex, and another one is from Bulenox. So hopefully all will be good. You give time for greed. All right. It seems like. Okay, never mind. I thought it's gonna leave a gap here, but it's not. I still have my limit order, by the way. I still have my limit order at 21. Yeah, let's see. Let's see that 5 a.m. Where's the new day opening gap? I haven't really checked it, but I should. Let's see it. Should be somewhere here. Did we have one? Yeah. Here is it. This is the new day opening gap. And here's the other. So new day opening gap is here. Right at the top. Jesus, it wants to go. I mean, it got rejected from that new day opening gap. Does that mean anything? Oh, yeah. Quite interesting. Huh. That is interesting. Oh, yeah. That's true. That's true. Wants to go above. Yeah, it was a clean rejection, and now it might want to take it. I still have my limit order at 21. Okay, it got filled. All right. It might go higher. Only micros this time. Just an order block. It could be bouncing. Yeah, I would. The maximum I would like to see this is somewhere above, somewhere around 33. But if it goes above, then it's over. Oh man, that's what I was afraid of. All right, picking up 2 gaps here. And it seems like it's just breaking higher. Yeah, I think so. Maybe. I don't know, Stop Loss Hunter. Maybe it would make everybody's life safer. Less blown accounts for sure. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, it might want to go above. And then if it goes, it will surely take out, surely take out the 66. Yeah, I think it's done. Man, I was hoping that it would go down anyway. We have a swing high at 43. That is what it is. A+ setups, yeah. That's what I should do as well. I need to drink a tea. This trade is down the dumpster anyway. I'll be right back. I have to drink a tea. All right, let's see. Oh, you were close to take a mini. Yeah, I know the temptation is real. Yeah, exactly. That happens a lot sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. It happens like that, and it messes around with the mindset. Oh yeah, exactly, exactly. So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? We're just stuck here. Why is it not going higher? Why is it not going higher, please? I want to see this. I mean, sorry, lower. Not higher, lower. I want to see this drop down. There are some good levels down there. We have a nice order block. It should go. Hit that like button. Do it for me. Do it. DEW. Do it. I think I'm gonna sell some merchandise, and one of the signs is gonna be on the baseball cap, and the T-shirt is gonna be this: "Do it." No. Come on, just drop. Just drop it. Oh, it's not dropping. I tried. I tried to reason with NQ, but it's not doing it. Oh, really? Nike already has it? Oh. It's the just do it. That's just it. Or did they copyright protected the do it as well? Should sweep that swing high. Yeah, I think it has a good chance for it to do so. Yeah, that's a very juicy level. Even like above 44, it looks very good. And then 65, some good levels up there. But anyway, should fail. Well, if it sweeps that, and after that, it should go down. Yes. We're stuck here, officially. Officially, NQ unplugged, and we're stuck. On my super magical indicators, it says that it's gonna go higher. Oh. We are really, really stuck in this area. Oh my God, Reza. Hey, how you doing, man? Doing great. Good to see you. Where have you been? Where have you been? I mean, I guess you were back to Dubai after 5 months. Oh, I'm glad you're. Oh, last night. So back to business, right? I'm glad you're doing great. Awesome. How is family? I hope the family visit was awesome. Super duper. Back to printing money. Reza is back to money printing now. Let's go. Yeah, awesome. 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 I know you will do it ASA. I mean, it's going to be super fast. You'll be at payout level no time. Look at this NQ. What is happening? Ah, what is just happening? Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, Devin. That's a huge question right now. The boner candle is not here yet. But, you know, sooner or later. And also worked in macro backtesting from 1st of January. Wait a minute, huh? 61% win rate. And 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Jeez. It seems like you have a real nice edge there. Wow. Macro backtesting all the way, right? 61% win rate, man. That is excellent. And with the 1.5, it's actually a one money printing machine. That's some good data you have there. I mean, oh, here's the boner candle. But yeah, it makes sense that it wants to go higher. Yeah, it wants to go. All right. It might want to keep going higher to the 40s, maybe. I'm not really trusting this position anymore. I might even have to cut it earlier. So oh yeah, it wants to go higher. There is a gap at 42. Mm-hmm. And it just goes from 47.45, 8.15, 45. Wow, 7 trades per day. That's a lot of information there. And you know, backtesting all those macros. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. I think I'm gonna close this. I think it's just gonna break 38. Yeah, I'm closing it. Most likely it's gonna break it. I would be surprised if it would not break that, you know, getting above that 30. What was the high there? 38.25. Just curious how it's gonna do it. All right. Unicorn model. Yeah, data is absolutely important. FOMC is gonna rip 21. Oh, you're doing the same with crude oil. I see. Interesting how this one, it didn't break the high yet. I wonder if it will do, because it should break. What was the high? 43.25. Anyway. All right, let's wait this out. Maybe it's gonna sweep some levels and build a structure again. But if not, then maybe nothing is gonna happen. Technically, it didn't break that high at 38.25, so it's still like, you know, anything can happen. Anything is possible with this. Oh, okay, let me check. Hold on. I have to get this thing here. Oh, I have it. All right. Hold on. Oh, wow. This looks awesome. Beautiful. You have the breaker here. And interesting that these setups are happening right at that time. This is like, wow, you know. Okay, so it did not manage to go back and take the 38.25. I think it can still drop all the way down, you know, as a failed attempt. Yeah, I think there's an indicator for that, for the kill zones, yeah. Too slow. Yeah, it is slow now. It feels like it wants to drop now. It feels like it just, you know, wants to go straight down. Like creating the double top thing here. I don't know. There's a level at on the 15 minute at 20,001.50. Might be holding some liquidity. But I'm not sure that it's gonna be able to drop down there that fast. And on the 5 minute, oh, there are some levels on the 5 minute too. All right, I'm curious about it, Reza. I'm really curious. I think you really have some data on your hands, and that's a real good information. So yeah, definitely interested. Eight-hour opens from power of 3. Yeah. The work from a pro. Natasha, you are having some good information as well. That is why I said I would love to see how you do your trades, and that would be awesome. So oh my god, I don't know. Technically, the trade I was in would be still valid, and I closed it manually earlier. So well, we have the new 5, the new 15, and the 30-minute candle in about 1 minute and 47 seconds. So that's going to be interesting. Oh, definitely. Definitely, Reza. By the way, that's a good question, Tamimi. So sometimes I also ask myself, should we look for fixed risk reward or some good low hanging fruit or something? You know, I find that the 1 to 2 risk reward is actually very good in many cases. But we'll see. Anyway, low hanging fruit. There you go. There you go. Fixed RR. Okay. Yeah, that's always a big question to me. Which would be the best one? Fixed risk reward, low hanging fruit. That's always the big dilemma. Fix is the best. Oh, we have the new 5-minute candle. The new 15-minute candle. And the new 30-minute candle. Let's see what this wants to do. I don't see anything right now that I would go with in terms. I mean, again, I broke my own rules. I mean, it was just an eval, so that's good. But what I should have done is just stick to the trade and just let it be. You know. Well, it's going higher, maybe. Who knows? Not much to do with this. You can yeah, you can expand the or trail. Yeah, there's trail or stop loss. Yeah. So that's good. I like it. There's a 15-minute fair value gap at 0.1.50 on the micro. I'm not sure if it's on the mini. Let me see. No, it's on the mini, but on the micro, the low is the same. I'm gonna go crazy with the FOMO that I closed this trade in a loss again. That's a huge error on my end. The fixed reward ratio can gather data, but that's true. That is actually a very good. That's a very big. Yeah. Exactly like you said, you can adjust your system. You can do some necessary adjustments in the entry or the trading style, because the market is like, obviously the low-hanging fruit levels could give you like different points. I understand, Devin. Yeah, major liquidity levels. Yeah. Yeah. Low hanging fruit 6 that itself can give you a nice ideal trail. Yeah, that's true. Paul, good night. Good night, Paul. Thanks for dropping in. It was a bit of a slow session here, maybe. Monday's 10th of March trades. Okay, let me check it. Oh, wow. You guys don't see it, but breaker 1 minute gap here. Wow. Let me just put this like this way so you guys can see it. I see. 745. This is very interesting information here. Going up. And I see all these other levels. Yeah, but yeah, I'm checking. But all these levels, man. Oh, sorry. Just a quick phone call here. Just a second. All right. All entries are macro times. That's nice. And look at how beautifully it's playing out. These are good entries, man. Very, very, very good entries. Yeah, breaker fair value gap. Yeah, I was checking that too. Yeah, no, I mean, I don't know if it wants to reach for liquidity on a fair value gap or not before it goes higher. I don't know. I mean, we have that 15-minute gap down there. I'm not sure if it wants to take it, but it's very close. It's right down there. Now it took it. So now it reached down for that fair value gap. I feel a bit of a FOMO now. I feel a bit of a FOMO now by not by closing the trade. So I would, you know, and this is the really the prime example of where I'm the prime example of why and when and how I'm messing up my trades. I entered here. You guys saw it. This was my entry. Boom. I put my stop loss just above the recent swing high. Obviously, price came really close to that high, but didn't break through, and my TP was down there. And what I usually do, I got cold feet, I close the trade, and then it goes to my TP. That's what I do. And this is what I do with the funded accounts as well. I know that it was very close. It was really just a little bit of luck that it didn't go through. But hey, it didn't go through, so it's still a valid trade. It's still a valid setup because it did not break my stop loss. According to Mark Douglas, you know, as long as the price is within my risk parameters and it didn't break my stop, I'm still in the valid trade setup because this was the allowance. This was the maximum allowed risk that I took. And look at that now. And this is exactly what is causing the FOMO, and the FOMO is causing overtrading, revenge trading, greed, everything. And this is exactly the best example of why I should not be messing around with the trade that has already been put on. That's it. If I put on a trade, just let it be. Let it play out. That's it. Anyway, the FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. Anyway. Exactly, Reza. The same thing. Yesterday I've blown up some accounts, and partially because of these kind of situation. The I really should have to. I mean, if I can wait for the proper setup, because I was waiting. I was waiting for all this time for this one to shift lower and then maybe, you know, find a good target, and there is a good target down there. It's gonna go to 981, by the way, just saying. Personalized guarantee 981. There you go, I said it. So I was patient enough to wait for my setup, and now I'm not patient enough to just sit on my hands when I'm in the trade and not do anything. And look at this now. Oh my god, I can't even look at this. I have to walk away. I have to walk away, man. I have to. I really have to walk away, which I'm gonna do, definitely. Yeah, if this would have hit my stop loss, I would say, okay, right, awesome, I accepted it. I accepted the risk. Move on. Let's go. Move on. It's in the past now. But it did not hit the stop loss, so it's still valid. That's it. Yeah. Some people would say that, oh, this is not valid anymore because it almost went through, and I agree for some extent, but as I said, and Mark Douglas talks about this, and I think he's basically almost the greatest, or maybe the greatest, in terms of psychology. This is still valid, even if it's just missing my stop with one single tick. I'm still in the trade. It's still my valid, within my predetermined valid risk parameters, and as of that, it's a valid setup, no matter if it goes super close to my stop. And I should not forget this. I should not forget this, man. Exactly. Live and learn. But hey, this one can also just turn around here and just go up there. So it's not over yet. This trade is if I would be in it, it would be still going. So why did you not re-enter? That's another rule which I have for myself, Tetsa or Teka. I don't know if it's with a K or C. I should pronounce it, but re-entering a trade, for example, I would have re-entered somewhere around the entry area. Imagine if I re-enter to a short and then it goes up to the stop again and it stops me out. Now that would be ultimately messing up my brain for the rest of the day. That would be like totally mess up my thought process. Like, I never do that. I mean, if I never should have exited in the first place, but if I exit and I feel the FOMO to re-enter to the same exact setup, I'm doubling down on the risk mentally. So it's not about the profit or about the exact trade. It's about your mental awareness. So I'm doubling down on my feelings and then on my awareness that, okay, it will be fine. Nobody sees this. Nobody knows about it. It's going to be my secret. I'm just entering again. It's going to be awesome. And then it's taking me out, and that is going to be that is going to ignite rage trading, revenge trading, FOMO, everything, whatever you want, if I enter for the second time. So best to do is leave it, walk away. If I closed it, and that's what I did now, I closed it, I can't re-enter now. I can't. I just can't. I have to leave it. I have to leave it and stick to the rules and wait for the next opportunity. You know. Yes and no. Yeah. Yeah, could be. Reza, thank you so much for being here. And by the way, just saying, I'm not. Maybe I'm gonna be late with the New York stream, so I might not be able to be here at the open, but maybe later. All right, so I might gonna be a little bit late. But thank you for dropping in. All right, take care. So, yeah, I can't even watch this. Okay, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna walk away as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This was an interesting session. We talked about some stuff. I did really enjoy it. So this Apex account, this is the one. This is up 2,149. It's still okay. So trying to rebuild, but this is all I did today. So recovery mode. Anyway, thank you again. I'll see you guys in the New York session. If you would like to support the stream, please don't forget to use the best cheat code for prop firms, which is Tom Sabo. You can use the same code at basically at almost all the prop firms. Check it out. Even the new ones, I registered for some of them, but I would say check out Take Profit Trader. MyFundedFutures doesn't really give too much discount, but if you type in my coupon code, it gives a bit of a credit to the stream. Thank you so much. And, you know, just the usual. First of all and foremost, God bless you all. See you, everybody, sometime, maybe not at the 9:30 open, but sometime in the New York session, all right? Cheers, everyone. Take care. Love y'all.